What's up, y'all? I just picked up the AirPod Pros second generation. This is my third set. I've had two other sets. I bought them, started buying these as soon as they came out. All of my sets, the other two sets, they still pretty much work. One of the mics on one starting to mess up a little bit about 3 years later. I ran them through wash cycles on accident. I took a shower in them a couple of times. I did a lot of dumb things and they still work. So I'm excited for these. These are USB-C. So I'm super excited about that. My old ones was Lightning. So I'm gonna try these out, see how these work. My phone is actually Lightning, so that's gonna be interesting because now I gotta carry around an extra charging port. And also, as you can see, these got a speaker on the box so that you can locate them. You can play a sound if you lose them. The old case, you couldn't do that. You couldn't even find them and find my phone with the old case if you lost them. So I'm excited. I like how these look so far. They have an extra vent on them. The other ones didn't have that little vent on the top. The size so far seems identical. I'm gonna do a comparison of the size of these versus the first gens in a little bit. These come with an extra tip. The other ones came with 3 tips total, and these come with 4 tips total. 3 right there, and there's one on the actual AirPod. So I'm gonna try all those out and do an ear fitment test. These normally kind of weird with how they fit in my ear. It comes with also a USB-C braided cable, USB-C on both ends. The other ones didn't come with this braided cable, so I'm glad I got that. Now let's do a comparison of the old ones versus the new ones. See that vent on the top of the new ones on the right side? The left side doesn't have that. Other than that, they're pretty much the same. The vent on the back of the new ones is a little bigger on the main part of the stem, but they pretty much identical. I haven't did a sound test. I'm gonna do another video where I do a sound test, and that's a comparison of them side by side right there. So yeah, I'll probably upload another video. The new case also has a slot for a lanyard. The old case don't have that. I don't know who uses lanyards, but we have it. And last but not least, the case shows up in your battery widget when the case is closed. That is the biggest deal for me. That you can see the case charging status when the case is closed. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Thank you.